In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out an RFQ on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your request in front of the right suppliers clearly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. You can also type alibaba.com directly in the address bar. When the results appear, choose the official site. Look for the secure lock icon in your browser and make sure the domain is the genuine alibaba.com, not an ad or a similar looking link. This helps you avoid landing on the wrong page. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're signed in. The Sign In button is typically at the top right. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile avatar instead. Being signed in ensures your RFQ saves correctly and can be sent to suppliers. Next, open your profile menu and navigate to the RFQ section. RFQ stands for Request for Quotation, and this is where you describe what you need so suppliers can respond with pricing, lead times, and terms. Depending on your layout, you might see it under My Alibaba, Sourcing, or simply RFQs. Now fill out the RFQ form. Start with a clear product name that describes exactly what you want, like stainless steel water bottle, 500 ml, double wall. Add your sourcing quantity and include the correct unit, such as pieces, sets, or kilograms. Be realistic about your first order and, if helpful, mention anticipated reorder quantities in your description. Use the detailed requirements box to paint a complete picture. Include materials, dimensions, colors, finishes, performance specs, and any relevant standards or certifications you need. Add packaging details, branding or logo placement, and your preferred printing method. If you have a target price range, share it along with your Incoterms, destination port or country, shipping preferences, whether you need samples, and your ideal lead time. Keep your measurements consistent and unambiguous, and avoid sharing personal contact details in the description. Keep communication on platform for safety. Attach photo references to reduce guesswork. Clear product photos, sketches, or diagrams with labels are incredibly helpful. Make sure images are sharp, show important angles, and aren't so large that they fail to upload. When everything looks accurate, review the terms. Agree to the terms and conditions, which allow Alibaba to share your RFQ with relevant suppliers and confirm that your information is correct. Finally, click Invite Suppliers to Quote. This submits your request and sends it to matching suppliers who can respond with proposals. After submission, monitor your Alibaba messages and the RFQ area for incoming quotes and be ready to clarify details if a supplier has questions. That's it. Follow these steps to create a precise, professional RFQ and attract quality quotes faster.